Hello my dear students and welcome to your favorite educational YouTube channel English वाली मैम. So आज हमारी OTT series by day 54 know how to get the perfect score का episode. कौन सा episode है आज? Today's episode 10 of our series. And आज के episode में we are going to be revising the first chapter from our supplementary reader Footprints Without Feet. So what is the name of the first chapter? We already know that the name of the first chapter from our supplementary reader is A Triumph of Surgery. Again, before we start with the revision, I want to remind all of you that if you have still not subscribed to our channel, please do that, because on day 53, I, your English Wali ma'am, is going to tell you a perfect and absolute plan which will help you get a 90 plus score in your English exam. पर उस प्लान को, उस एब्सोल्यूट प्लान को इम्प्लीमेंट करने के लिए इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट दैट यू वॉच ऑल आवर वीडियोस कैसे देखोगे? व्हेन यू हैव सब्सक्राइब टू आवर चैनल, सो यू विल गेट अ नोटिफिकेशन इमीडिएटली द वीडियो इज आउट एंड यू विल बी एबल टू वॉच द वीडियो एंड डू लाइक द वीडियो ऑल्सो एंड शेयर दिस विद योर फ्रेंड्स, बिकॉज जब सब फ्रेंड्स मिलके पार्टी करते हैं तो मजा कुछ और ही होता है. Okay, so let us start with the revision. So as discussed in earlier videos, the way to revise for your board exam, for the literature section, the stories, you need to have a flowchart of the stories so that you know about all the incidents in a proper sequence, in a chronological order, that what was the first incident that occurred, then second, so on and so forth. So जैसे कि हमने अपनी मेन रीडर फर्स्ट फ्लाइट में फर्स्ट चैप्टर जो था लेटर टू गॉड, उसका भी एक फ्लो चार्ट बनाया था एंड वी रिवाइज्ड इट. सो वी आर गोइंग टू डू द सेम फॉर आवर चैप्टर इन आवर supplementary reader, and the name of the chapter is A Triumph of Surgery. One thing I want to tell all of you, beta, this chapter that this revision that we all are doing, and basically this flow chart that you get to see here in the videos, this is just an outline of how your flow chart should look like. Okay, either because I have a limited board, I might not be able to write everything on the board. I told you in the previous videos also that we are only giving the crisp information, just the main information I'm writing here on the board. But as you can see, there are certain questions which are highlighted, there are certain points which are written separately. So जब आप फ्लो चार्ट बनाओगे चैप्टर का, while you are revising it, make sure you write all these points. इन questions के जो answers हैं वो आपके फ्लो चार्ट में जरूर होने चाहिए. Alright, why? Of course, because these are very much important while you are revising the chapter. Now let us start with the revision. So flowchart padhte hain. First, there's a lady named Mrs. Pumphrey. She's a rich lady who owns a dog named Tricky. Now this lady, Mrs. Pumphrey, she's overcaring for her dog, because of which the dog's health is ruined. Tricky's health starts to deteriorate because the manner in which Mrs. Pumphrey treats him. Now the funny part in the story is that Mrs. Pumphrey is not someone who ignores her pet, who doesn't take care of her pet. Instead, it is her overcaring nature added with carelessness, because of which the pet dog Tricky that she loved like her own child, the health of this dog starts to deteriorate. So now Mrs. Pumphrey is really worried. And all this time, while Tricky's health was deteriorating, while he had started to put on a lot of weight, it was Dr. Harriet. Who was Dr. Harriet? He was a vet. He was a veterinarian. So he had advised he had already warned Mrs. Pumphrey in advance that you are not taking care of your dog the way you should be. In fact, you are over caring for him, and your these habits will ultimately ruin Tricky's health. But Mrs. Pumphrey, over caring, careless, and probably very extravagant when it came to her pet dog Tricky, she ignores the advice which was given by Dr. Harriet. And there is a sentence in your chapter which says, finally the call came. Alright. So basically what had happened, that Mrs. Pumphrey was advised by Dr. Harriet that you are not taking care of your dog. You are probably overfeeding him, not letting him do any exercise. So his health will eventually deteriorate. But she ignored this advice, and Dr. Harriet was the one who had given this advice. Now what had happened is that because of this ignorance, Tricky came to a condition when he became listless. There is a word also which is given in the chapter. आप देखो बेटा, जब भी मैम आपको chapter revision कराती है, I mostly use words which are given in your text. अब इन सब का जो reason है ना, वो day 53 पे पता चलेगा आपको कि मैम आप NCERT की language क्यों इतनी use करते हो. I'll show you samples here and there and tell you why I use only NCERT language, or mostly the NCERT language, while we are doing the revision, and why do I read certain incidents word to word, why do I read them from your textbook. Okay, so सारे videos जो हैं उनको carefully देखना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Okay, so अब a time came when Tricky had to be rushed to a hospital. Again, as I told you, because he had become very listless. Alright. So when Tricky was rushed to Dr. Harriet, how did he start treating him? Did he give him some special medicines? Did he give him some special injections? Did he give him some doses in a powder form maybe, or in a liquid form for Tricky's recovery? No. There were two main ways, very simple ways, two main ways through which Dr. Harriet started treating Tricky. What were these two ways? The first one was changes in diet. So basically Dr. Harriet had changed Tricky's diet. How? We will study that. The second method was that he made Dr. Harriet, he made Tricky do physical exercise. अब इन दोनों के बारे में हम डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे. अच्छा बेटा, एक बार याद रखना, whenever you are watching our videos, make sure you have your textbook handy, because when I am reading text from the book, it becomes very easy for you also to locate it. Alright, so if we come to page number 3 of the chapter, so after these in-text questions are given, the second paragraph, I made up a bed. All of you found this paragraph? Okay. Now the second line of this paragraph says, for 2 days I kept an eye on him. I here refers to Dr. Harriet. For 2 days I kept an eye on him, giving him no food but plenty of water. So basically Dr. Harriet had changed Tricky's diet. How? By not giving him food, only putting him on a liquid diet. और liquid diet में भी क्या? Only water was given to Tricky. For how many days? For 2 days. ठीक है? Then at the end of the second day, he started to show some interest in his surroundings. And on the third day, he began to whimper when he heard the dogs in the yard. अच्छा, what was the reason that Dr. Harriet had put Tricky on a water diet? साइंटिफिक फैक्ट है, सबको पता है ना कि वाटर जो होता है दैट्स द बेस्ट सोर्स फॉर रिलीजिंग टॉक्सिन्स फ्रॉम आवर बॉडी. And what was Mrs. Pumphrey doing? She was giving him extra bowls of Horlicks, some extra eggs, and all those things to eat. Because of which Tricky's digestive system had obviously weakened, right? So Dr. Harriet took out a very simple way. What did he do? He changed Tricky's diet, that is, he gave him no food for 2 days and served only water to him. And by the third day, Tricky started responding. Tricky, who had become very listless, who had become very unresponsive, now started to responding to other dogs which were already there in the hospital. Next is made Tricky do physical exercise. So I want all of you to come to page number 4, and this is a very interesting line. So the second paragraph, from them on, all of you have located it? Okay, so it says, from them on, then on his progress was rapid. Now read this line. It says, he had no medical treatment of any kind, but all day he ran about with the dogs, joining in the friendly scrimmages. So basically, very clear it is stated that he was not given any medicines, he was not given any injections, he was not given any doses of any kind. It was a simple treatment, change in diet, and made to do physical exercise. Of course, giving him liquid diet helped him recover a bit, and then he started participating in the physical exercise, that is, moving around with the other dogs that were there in the hospital. Now, while Tricky was recovering, Mrs. Pumphrey, again a worried master, what did she do? So, if you read the text, it says that she started bringing in cushions, and she started bringing in malt and eggs, all these for Tricky. So, what did Dr. Harriet do? He continued with the treatment, and the eggs and the the other things that were meant for Tricky, he would consume them. And that's why he also points out, he said that it was not a very good idea. Like, I had not wanted to let Tricky go. So he says, page number 5, the third paragraph, he says, it was a temptation to keep Tricky as a permanent guest, but I knew Mrs. Pumphrey was suffering, and after a fortnight felt compelled to phone and tell her that the little dog had recovered and was awaiting collection. So all that extra food, that food which was kind of extravagant in its way, Dr. Harriet would consume it and enjoy it, but he realized that he cannot keep Tricky as a permanent guest, and he called up Mrs. Pumphrey to inform her that her dog had finally recovered. So this is the essence of the story, and of course in the end we also discuss about how did Tricky react when he saw Mrs. Pumphrey. So he jumped into the car, and so that happiness, and Mrs. Pumphrey was also very happy, and that's why she says that, if you read the last line on page number 6, it says, "Oh, Mr. Harriet," she cried, "how can I ever thank you? This is a triumph of surgery." What does the word triumph means? To win. So according to Mrs. Pumphrey, maybe a surgery happened, but nothing of that sort happened. That's why I made you read that sentence, that there was no special medical treatment that he was given. 2 simple things he was made to do, and Tricky started recovering. So that is the essence of the chapter. अब हम चलते हैं, जो सेकेंड पॉइंट होता है हमारा चैप्टर के रिविजन का. व्हाट इज दैट सेकेंड पॉइंट? दैट यू लिस्ट द इम्पोर्टेंट कैरेक्टर्स एंड देयर कैरेक्टर ट्रेट्स. सो आज हम जब बोर्ड टर्न करेंगे तो हम बोर्ड पे खुद ही लिखेंगे कुछ चीजें. ओके, ऑलराइट. सो who are the main characters in the story A Triumph of Surgery? फ्लो चार्ट बना लिया है तो हमें पता चल गया है कि हमारे जो मेन कैरेक्टर्स हैं दैट इज मिसेस पुम्फ्रे एंड डॉक्टर हैरियट. सो अगर मुझे मिसेस पुम्फ्रे के कैरेक्टर्स स्केच बताने हैं, हमने फ्लो चार्ट में लिखा है ओवर केयरिंग है एंड ऑफ कोर्स शी इज वेरी रिच. She is an animal lover also, you can say that. बेटा ये सारे पॉइंट्स जो है ना, जब हमने फ्लो चार्ट बनाया है उसी में से when we have discussed it and when we have written it, we've come to know about these. इसलिए बोलती हूँ इंग्लिश वाली मैम की टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स फॉलो करो, 90+ मार्क्स आएंगे बोर्ड एग्जाम में. ओके, सो एंड लास्ट इज केयरलेस. If I talk about Dr. Harriet, so he was very skillful in his work, right? And he was also witty kind of person. What do you mean by witty? Clever. So Tricky had recovered to a large extent. Still he thought, let me keep him for some more time, so that I can enjoy the eggs that come for Tricky actually. But why he was skillful? Because he did not, make any changes. Like he did not do some kind of a surgery. He did not perform any kind of surgery, but made the treatment very simple, helping Tricky recover its health. Tricky is also a character in the story. Sorry, but of course. The Tricky is basically someone, if you can say, he's the one on which the action is being performed, so we don't have much of character traits for him. One more thing, आपके पास एक वीडियो आएगा, comment in the comment section I will mention the link for the video in which we have discussed how to answer character based questions, and the best part of that video is, उस वीडियो को भी जरूर देखिएगा, the best part of that video is that we have taken example from this particular chapter only. So आपका character sketch based question जो है वो अच्छे से prepared है. I've picked up a sample question in that video and then explained how to answer the question. Okay, because English वाली मैम आपको आंसर्स नहीं रटवाएंगी. I will not tell you to cram up the answers. I will help you revise, understand, and know the strategy of answering the question. So I'll help you revise the chapter, understand it thoroughly, and know what is the strategy of answering questions in your board exams to get 90+ marks. इसीलिए तो आप सब इतना इंग्लिश मैम को रिगार्ड करते हो कि मैम आप हमें स्ट्रैटेजी बताते हो, है ना? So do like, share and subscribe to English Wali Ma'am. I'll see you all in the next episode. Till then, all the best.